LIC policy can be used to arrange some cash during this difficult period, as many of you may not be getting full salary from your employer due to lockdown. This facility was available earlier as well, but now there are some interest rate changes from May 2020. Find out complete details about how to apply this loan against your LIC policy through this video. Welcome to Save and Invest Smartly. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe as I will be posting regular videos like this which might be useful to you. Hit the bell icon as well for instant notification. Before we see the procedure how to apply the loan against your LIC policy, let me explain you the advantages and disadvantages in availing this loan. The advantages of availing the loan against LIC policy is you will get very cheap interest rates when compared to the personal loans which you apply in banks. The personal loans which you apply in banks come at 15%, and if you use credit card, then it comes at 40% approximately. And also, for applying loans in bank, you need the CIBIL score to be good. Otherwise, you may not be able to get the loan. But in case of loan against your LIC policy, the CIBIL score may not be considered by LIC. The reason for this is that LIC will be able to recover this from maturity proceeds or surrender value if you don't pay this loan. But remember, even though the CIBIL score is not considered for giving this loan, if you don't pay this loan on time or if you default this loan, then your CIBIL score will be impacted. The chances of success of this loan application is very high when compared to the other bank loans because there may be rejections in case of bank loans if you don't have proper documents or proper eligibility and CIBIL score. And now there is a disadvantage also when you avail this loan from LIC. If the interest is not paid regularly, it would be added to the loan principal, and if this exceeds the surrender value, then your policy will be terminated. So you should be careful after you apply this loan. So you should be regular in repayment of this loan. What are the updated loan interest rates from this May 2020 on different policies? On Jeevan Shikhar, you get the lowest interest rate at 9%. And all the regular premium endowment plans and money back policies launched after April 1, the interest rate is 9.5%. For all other LIC policies like Jeevan Vriddhi, Jeevan Vaibhav, Jeevan Sugam, Jeevan Shagun, Jeevan Sangam, and Jeevan Utkarsh, for all these LIC policies, the interest rate offered is 10%. These revised rates are applicable only on the new loans, and it's not applicable for the existing loans that you may already have on your policies. The interest rates may be revised annually and may or may not be applicable for the existing policies at that time. So what are the documents that you may need to submit for availing this loan? You need to submit your original insurance policy document, the income proof, and the bank statement. The loan processing fees is around rupees 250 and the processing time is 2 to 7 days. The loan tenure as of now is only 6 months. What is the loan amount eligibility? The amount that you may be eligible to apply may be based on the surrender value. It is usually 90% of the surrender value. What is the surrender value? Surrender value is basically the amount which the policyholder will get if he or she decides to close the insurance policy before maturity. Normally, it is 30% of the total premium paid so far, plus any bonus accrued. Other factors that are considered for eligibility are the premium should have been paid for consecutively 3 years without any break, and the policy type should be endowment, whole life, or money back. The term plan and ULIPs are not eligible for availing this loan. Now let us see how you can apply this loan on your LIC policy online. From your browser, visit licindia.in. You will go to the home page of LIC. On the left hand side, you will see an option called Customer Portal. Click on that. This will pop up a message saying that it's taking you to an external site. Click OK for that. Now you will get a page where you have an option for logging in using the button called Registered User. Click on Registered User. Fill up your username, password, and the date of birth and sign in. After you log in inside, you will see a dashboard. Click on the individual policy details. From this page, select Service Requests. If you are already registered for premium services, then you will find an option for applying the loan online on this page. If you have not already registered for this premium services, then you will not find the option for applying the loan online. Then this is the procedure you have to follow. Click on the drop down and select Premier Services Registration. This will bring you to this page where you will have 3 steps to complete. Select step 1 and click on proceed. You'll see the policy details here. Click on generate registration form. This will give you a message saying the registration request has been generated successfully and a service request ID is provided to you for tracking purpose. Now click on the download form to see the service request that is generated. Once you print the service request form and fill up the details, sign, scan, and when you are ready to upload, click the upload and submit documents button. On the next page, you will get options to upload your documents. The first document that you need to upload here is the registration form. And the second document is your ID proof. From the drop down, you can either select the PAN card or the passport and then click on upload. Once you upload your forms, you can come to the track request status and see the status of the request. After a few days, you will see that this status will become validated. And then you will find the option to apply the loan online. Now, this is how you see the option for applying the loan online. Click on this. You need to agree to the customer consent. Check the I agree box and click on proceed. An OTP is sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP here and click on submit. As the second step, you have to select the policy. Once you select the policy, you will be able to see the total loan eligibility as per the policy. You have two options. Either you can avail the full loan or you can also go for a partial amount out of this. Once you select the option, click yes to proceed. And now you are done. Your loan application is submitted online. You may have to submit some of the documents to the nearest LIC agent office, and then your loan will be processed. Now that you have understood how to apply this loan online through your LIC website, let me give you some of the information on the loan payback also. In these loans which you avail against your insurance policy, you may have to pay only the interest every month. So that's a great relief. You will have to pay only very less amount every month because you are not paying the principal. The principal will be settled at maturity. In cases of policies where the pension or annuity is given, the interest will be deducted from that monthly. But if you default the loan, then the policy will be foreclosed to recover the dues. So how does LIC decide whether to foreclose or terminate this policy? If the principal and the interest outstanding is greater than the surrender value, then the policy will be terminated. So make sure that you pay the interest every month regularly. There are also other things that you should remember when you avail this loan against your LIC policy. You will have a sizable surrender value only if you have paid the insurance premium for at least 10 years. Else your loan amount may be very small and may not help you much. The moratorium period of 3 months that government has announced recently is not applicable for these type of loans. After the loan payment is completed, the insurance provider or the bank will reassign the policy to the policyholder by an endorsement in the policy. The other insurers who offer the loan against insurance policy are ICICI Prudential, HDFC Life, Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance, and many. You can just Google and find out what is the process to be followed for those insurers. You may also take a loan from bank as well on your insurance policy, but the interest rate may be higher. When it comes to choosing bank or insurance provider to get this loan against your policy, choose insurance provider because the interest charged by them is lesser, and also you have the option to pay only the interest monthly. But in case of banks, you may have to pay the EMI, which includes both interest and principal. And a final piece of advice to you, insurance should be treated only as a protection and hence avail this option only during an emergency when there is a critical need of cash. Hope this video was useful to you. If you have more queries on this, please write down in the comment section. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.